In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Black Bull in Tradingview. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, having access to comprehensive tools and data is crucial. Tradingview is a fantastic platform for analysis, and Black Bull is a popular choice among traders for executing trades. So, let's walk through the steps to connect the two seamlessly. First, you'll want to head over to Tradingview. Open your browser and type in tradingview.com to go directly to their website. If you already have it bookmarked, even better. Once you're on the home page, sign in to your account if you haven't already. This is where the magic begins. TradingView's platform is intuitive, and with just a few steps, you'll have access to everything you need. After logging in, locate the Supercharts option on the homepage. This section is the heart of TradingView's functionalities, offering you a wide array of charting tools. Click on it and you'll be directed to the trading chart interface. Here, you can create detailed charts, apply various indicators, and conduct the technical analysis essential for making informed trading decisions. Once you're in the Supercharts area, direct your attention to the lower area of the interface where you'll find the trading panel. Click on it to reveal the connection options available. The trading panel is your gateway to linking with different brokers. It's crucial because this is how you'll be able to execute trades directly from TradingView using your Black Bull account. Upon opening the trading panel, you'll see a button that says Show All Brokers. Click this button to expand the list of brokers compatible with TradingView. This feature allows you to see all potential trading partners and find the one that suits your needs best. Keep in mind the market you're trading in and your specific requirements while browsing through the list. Look through the list until you spot Black Bull Markets. This is the broker you'll be connecting to today. Black Bull is known for its competitive spreads and quality execution, making it a favored choice. Once you've found it, click on Black Bull Markets. This step is crucial as it sets the groundwork for the connection between your TradingView account and your Black Bull Markets account. Lastly, proceed to connect your accounts. There will be a prompt guiding you through linking your Black Bull account with TradingView. Simply follow the instructions provided, which may involve inputting your login details for Black Bull, and you're all set. Once connected, you can begin placing trades directly from TradingView using Black Bull's integration. That's it. You've now successfully connected Black Bull in TradingView, gaining powerful access to trading tools and data that will aid you in your trading journey.